Stars were the first thing to ever exist, and one of the very few things that still exist after such a long time. From stars, everything was created out of their matter, and still to this day, everything that exists which was created by them is sustained by the energy they output. Though seemingly insignificant compared to other celestial bodies like planets, moons and suns are technically stars, they are perhaps the most important. Without them, there would be no other objects within the universe, and nothing would be able to function because it would not have its fuel, and there would be nothing to fuel. The theory I find myself heavily inclined towards believing is the idea that humans themselves are the spawn of stars, that the matters from stars that upon their death have passed down just like they did to form land masses, formed humans too, so that they are both the creators and the sustainers, because those are the two key things a human needs to survive. Because of the matter of stars being so beyond our understanding at this point, this could be reasonable to believe that star energy within the human body is perhaps what we believe to be the soul and consciousness. If you look out your window tonight, you will hopefully see at least one star. But that star you were seeing is not there now. That star you were seeing is a reflection of the light of that star, which has taken light years, perhaps even millions of light years to get to your eyes. So that star could long be dead upon the point that you were seeing it. But though it may be dead when you are looking upon it, that star may now possibly be something else. Perhaps the matter of that star has gone to form an asteroid or something. Or perhaps, even more interestingly, it's gone to form another person. It is the core of the human being. Sure, this could sound quite far-fetched, but then again, the human compound is such a complex and unknown thing that anything far-fetched could truly be reality, and we just wouldn't be able to know, because perhaps it is genuinely beyond the understanding of the mind. I also lean towards believing that perhaps people can be bound by star and soul, which is when perhaps they were the same star merged into two different people, or two stars of exact identical makeup, that when they became humans, those two humans were bound together and had to be together in their life just for the maintain of their own balance, and without the other, that star wouldn't be, say, if it were a star, it wouldn't be bright enough, or it wouldn't be big enough to contain, and it would just fizzle out, or it would just burn up completely. I have no proof to put to this theory, but other than my own thoughts and sensations and inclinations, but still, I do believe that it could be very possible, seeing as how we don't know. And it's always, I feel when you don't know, it's always fun to reach for the more obscure explanation of things. No denying the importance of stars in the wider universal life. So perhaps their importance is beyond our understanding, and they are far, far, far more significant to everything than we first thought they were. There are many instances of us believing one thing is one thing, and then finding out years later, centuries and decades later, that it's much more than that. We thought the Earth was the centre of the universe before.